Assalamu alaikum dear students. Chapter number 8, exercise 8.2, question number 9. Now in question number 9, find the term independent of x in the following expansion. Part 1, x minus 2 over x whole की power 10. Now given a is equal to x and x is equal to minus 2 over x and n is equal to 10. As we know that terms formula is tr plus 1 ncr e की power n minus r x की power r. Here by putting all these values in this formula we got tr plus 1 10 cr x की power 10 minus r by putting the value of a. Now x is equal to minus 2 over x, then minus 2 over x power r. This combination will remain same throughout. Now here x power 10 minus r minus 2 की power r over x power r. Now subtracting this x power r from this x power 10 minus r, we got x power 10 minus r minus r. Here minus r minus 2r and minus 2 की power r. As we have to find the term independent of x, so compare x power 10 minus 2r with x power naught. X power naught means term independent of x. Now comparing with x power 10 minus r, we got 10 minus 2r is equal to 0 because bases are same, so powers will be equal. Now from here we got r is equal to 5. Now putting these values into equation 1, which is our terms formula, which is equal to t 5 plus 1 is equal to 10c5 x power 10 minus 5 minus 2 over x power 5. From here we got that t6 is the term which is independent of x. Now opening the combination of 10c5, which is equal to 10 factorial divide by 10 minus 5 factorial and 5 factorial. Here x power 10 minus 5 which is equal to x power 5. Now minus 2 की पावर 5, पावर आपकी ओड है तो माइनस 7 आएगा. Now 2 की पावर 5 is equal to 32 and x की पावर 5. Now this x की पावर 5 will be cancelled with x की पावर 5 and you got x की पावर naught which is equal to 1. So x की पावर 5 will be cancelled here. Opening the factorial of 10, which is equal to 10 9 8 7 6 5 factorial. Here 5 factorial and 10 minus 5 which is also equal to 5 factorial. 1 5 factorial will be cancelled with other and we have 10 9 8 7 6 divided by 5 factorial which is equal to 5 4 3 2 1 and multiply by minus 32. Now 5 will be cancelled with 10 and you got 2, and 4 and 2 will be cancelled with 8 and 3 will be cancelled with 6 and you got 2. Now the remaining values are 2 9 7 2 into minus 32. So we have to multiply these values and we get our term which is independent of x. So t6 is equal to minus 8064, which is our answer. As answer does not include any x, so it is independent of x. Now moving to part 2, which is under root x plus 1 over 2x square whole की power 10. Here a is equal to under root x which is equal to x power 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1 over 2x square and n is equal to 10. Since terms formula is tr plus 1 ncr a की power n minus r x की power r, so call this as equation 1. Now putting these values into this formula, we got 10 cr x की power 1 by 2 10 minus r 1 over 2x square की power r. Here as x की power 1 by 2 10 minus r, so these powers will be multiplied with each other. Now x की power 1 by 2 10 minus r, here 1 over 2 की power r सेपरेट कर देंगे, 1 over x square की power सेपरेट कर देंगे. So here x की power 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with 10 and r, you got 5 minus r by 2. Next 1 over 2 r separate है हमारे पास, this powers will be multiplied with each other, 1 over x की power 2r. Now as bases are same and they are being divided, so this will subtract from this. Now x power 5 minus r over 2 minus 2r into 1 over 2 की power r. Now by taking LCM you got minus r 2 to the 4 minus 4r over 2. Now here into 1 over 2r, this is equal to 10 cr x power 5 minus r minus 4r minus 5r over 2 into 1 over 2 की power r. Always remember, for finding the term independent of x, compare x की power with x naught. Now, by comparing x की power 5 minus 5r over 2 with x naught, as bases are same, so 5 minus 5r over 2 is equal to 0. So here we got the values of r which is equal to 2. So by equation 1, which is our terms formula, by putting these all values we got t 2 plus 1 tan c2 x to power 1 over 2 tan minus 2 1 over 2 x square whole to power 2. By calculating it from calculator we got 45. Now here tan minus 2 8, this 2 will be cancelled with 8, 2 for the 8. Here 1 over 2 की power 2 separate कर देंगे, 1 over x square की power 2 which is equal to 4 separate. Now 45 x की power 4, here 1 over 2 की power 2 which is also equal to 4. Here 1 over x की power 4, this x की power 4 will be minus when we take it from denominator to numerator. Now x की power 4 and x की power minus 4, they will be subtracted and you got x की power naught which is equal to 1. हमेशा याद रखें किसी भी वैल्यू की पावर 0 होगी तो वो इक्वल होगी 1 के. देन t3 will be equal to 45 over 4 into 1 which is equal to 45 over 4. This is our required answer. Hence term independent of x is t3 which is equal to 45 over 4. Now moving to part 3, 1 plus x की power 2 whole की power 3 into 1 plus 1 over x की power 2 whole की power 4. This question is different from previous parts because here we have two expansions. So first of all we have to simplify them. Now 1 plus x की power 2 whole की power 3 into 1 plus 1 over x की power 2 whole की power 4. Here by taking LCM of this expansion we got x square plus 1 over x square whole की power 4. Now separating the power we got x की power 2 plus 1 whole की power 4 divided by x की power 2 की power 4. x की power 2 की power 4 which is equal to x की power 8. Now moving further, as bases are same so power will be add 1 plus x की power 2 whole की power 3 plus 4 and this x की power 8 will be minus when we take it from denominator to numerator. And we got our expansion which is equal to x की power minus 8 into 1 plus x की power 2 whole की power 7. As we know that the terms formula which is equal to tr plus 1 NCR a की power n minus r x की power r. Now we have add here x की power minus 8 because we have two terms, so our terms formula will be this. Now here we have n is equal to 7, a is equal to 1 and x is equal to x की power 2. Now putting these values into our terms formula we got x की power minus 8 7cr 1 की power 7 minus r x की 2 की power r. Here by simplifying we got 1 की power 7 minus r x की power minus 8 and x की power 2 into r x की power 2r. As bases are same so powers will be add and we got x की power minus 8 plus 2r. As we have to find the term independent of x, we have to compare x की power minus 8 plus 2r with x की power 0. As bases are same so powers will be equal, minus 8 plus 2r is equal to 0 and we got the value of r which is equal to 4. For term independent of x we have to compare x की power minus 8 plus 2r with x की power not 0. Now as bases are same so powers will be equal and we got the value of r which is equal to 4. Now put these values in equation 1 and we got x की power minus 8 7c4 1 की power 7 minus 4 x की power 2 की power 4. By simplifying we got these values. Now on simplifying we got t5 is equal to 35 1 into x की power minus 8 plus 8 which is equal to x की power 0 and x की power 0 is equal to 1. So 35 into 1 is equal to 35. Hence term independent of x is t5 which is equal to 35. Students, if you have any query about these questions or any other question, comment down below. I will try my best to resolve your queries.